5 things to help you start in crypto. The thing is, you want to invest into crypto, but you're unsure. You don't know where to start, and you might have lost money because you didn't really understand what you were doing. I'm a crypto veteran who's invested since 2017, and through 2 market cycles, I've made all the mistakes so you don't have to. Crypto, short for cryptocurrency, is a digital or virtual form of currency. It operates on a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized and distributed ledger that records all transactions across multiple computers or nodes. The most popular and well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. To be honest, Bitcoin was intended to be peer-to-peer digital money, but it's also developed into a store of value similar to gold. Okay, we've got some background covered, so let's move on to the 5 things you really need to know and how you can benefit over the next 12 months. Number 1 is why. If you don't know why we have crypto, you're going to struggle, as I did back in 2017. I was literally clueless. I didn't know why I was investing into crypto. I just wanted to get in and make some quick, easy money. If this is you, you are probably going to lose money, and this could get nasty as crypto can easily suck you in. The main advantage of crypto is that it allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. Peer-to-peer transactions is like me and you sending money to each other without the need for banks. Bitcoin was created because of issues with our current financial system, or banking system if you like. Some would say broken system. Anyway, this means that you can send and receive money directly from anyone, anywhere in the world without the involvement of a third party. And peer-to-peer transactions are faster and cost less money to send money from place to place or from one person to another. Crypto isn't just about sending money, as it's now developed, and many cryptos have loads of use cases. Number 2 is how. Like, how does it work? Look, I know you might want to just know what to invest into, but skipping important steps is the wrong way to go. If I would have known and understood crypto, these 5 steps, back in 2021, I'd be over £200,000 better off. When you make a transaction in crypto, it's broadcasted to the network of computers that make up the blockchain. These computers, also known as miners, compete to validate and verify the transaction. Once a transaction is verified, it is added to a block, which is then added to the chain of blocks in the blockchain. I know this is a bit technical, but bear with me as it's important to know so you are comfortable with the technology when you start investing. Number 3 is security. This might be the most important thing you learn in this or any other crypto video, so listen in. Otherwise you might end up doing something really stupid, like losing your crypto and therefore losing your hard-earned money. To ensure the security and integrity of the blockchain, cryptography is used. This involves complex mathematical algorithms to encrypt and decrypt data. This makes it nearly impossible for anyone to manipulate or alter the transaction history stored in the blockchain. Each crypto transaction is associated with a digital signature which proves the ownership and authenticity of the transaction. This allows for secure and transparent transactions, as anyone can view the transaction history on the blockchain. To store and manage your cryptocurrencies, you need a wallet. A wallet is a software or hardware device that securely stores your private keys, which are used to access and manage your crypto. It's important to keep your private keys safe and protect them from unauthorized access. This is a big one. Basically, you will effectively become your own banker unless you store your crypto on an exchange, that is. Number 4 is what it does. Apart from Bitcoin, there are many other cryptocurrencies with different features and purposes. So we've got peer-to-peer transactions, which we've touched on, but crypto has developed over the last 10 plus years. Some cryptocurrencies aim to improve privacy and anonymity, while others focus on faster transaction speeds or smart contract capabilities. With smart contracts, think signing for a business on the blockchain or signing for a house on a certain blockchain. This will eventually reduce the need for intermediaries like solicitors or estate agents, in my opinion. Look at Ethereum, for example. The Ethereum network has smart contract capabilities and loads of other use cases like gaming or NFTs. When you really get crypto and blockchain technology, you're going to start to understand the vast possibilities in this space. Number 5 is how you can benefit. The next 12 to 18 months, crypto has the potential to change your life. If you're just starting out, maybe start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then as your confidence grows, you can look to invest in other cryptos like Solana or even a layer 2 like Polygon. The last couple of bull markets have produced loads of crypto millionaires. Just err on the side of caution and make sure you understand crypto before investing your hard-earned money. You might pick 5 cryptos in the top 20 in terms of market cap, and you might make really good returns, really good profit if you get in over the next few months. Or if you prefer high risk, high reward, you might pick 5 to 10 cryptos in the top 50 in terms of market cap. Just be aware that you need some form of cash out strategy. If your crypto investments do go up by a significant amount, you need to take at least some cash off the table. This is my biggest lesson from the last 6 to 7 years. The info I've shared with you today is going to help you over the next 12 months in crypto. If you learn and understand it and take on board what I'm saying, if needed, watch it again, take some notes. I believe with everything I've got that if you do this, you'll do really well in the next crypto bull market. But unless you are fully aware of the risks in crypto, you're going to lose money, serious money, if you're not careful. But don't worry, I've got you covered. See below in the description where you can find a video highlighting the 5 biggest mistakes in crypto. By the way, if you like this content, you can subscribe and this will help me improve the channel so I can help more investors like you.